Hi, welcome to Digital Web Garage. In this session, I will show you how we can create the Quora account and how we can create the spaces in Quora. I mean, how we can create a new spaces in Quora account. So let's start with the session. So I will show you, as I told you, in this session we'll cover about the Quora. I mean, creating a new account with Quora or creating a new spaces in Quora. So this session is entirely about to create an account with Quora and spaces. So basically, before that we need to know what is Quora. Quora is a place where you can share the knowledge. I mean, where you can share and learn the knowledge. If you have some questions, example, you don't know something you wanted to learn, in that cases you can raise the question in your Quora account. You will get answers for that. So if you have some new information, I mean, if you have created something, you can share that in Quora account. So what happens if you're sharing those information, this will spread with the community. I mean, whatever the spaces you will create, so this will spread with your spaces. So basically what happens, so whatever the account you will create, that will be considered as your user account. So once you created the space, that will be considered as community. So what happens once you created a community, so you can see there are a lot of domains are working in the industry. Example, if you go to e-commerce, there is a one domain. If you go to retail, that is a different domain. If you go to social media, that is a different domain. If you go to manufacturing, that is a different domain. In the same cases, you can create a spaces by mentioning whatever the domain you are interested, whatever the knowledge you have, you can create the spaces, and over your Quora space you can share your knowledge. This is like a community. You can create a new community. I mean, as I told you, this week in Quora they will be called as spaces. So you need to create a space and you need to share the information, or somebody they can raise the questions. So it will be worked on most of it's completely for sharing the knowledge. I mean, one-to-one sharing the knowledge, raising your questions, sharing the information, all these things. So let's start with the account login. I mean, so if before that, if you wanted to open a Quora account, you should have a Gmail, I mean Google account. So you can see I entered the Quora website. Now it is asking me to log in by using. I can log in. I don't need to create there is no extraordinary work here. If you have a Gmail account or Facebook account, we can directly log into this. So I will use the Gmail account. I will log into this. So once you use the Gmail account, that will log into your account, that starts showing like this. You can see it here. Here is my account is showing, and you can check out, and I think the informations. So once you clicked on the continue with Google, this will be logged in through your Gmail account. Otherwise you can log in, you can create the account with your Facebook account directly. It will be logged in. You don't need to create any additional information. You don't need to share to create the accounts and all. So once you created the account by using your Gmail or Facebook, you need to update your information. You need to update your information in the sense you need to go to your settings section. So there you will have to fill out the entire informations. So once you fill all the informations, that's it. That's called as a profile. You have to complete the profile by creating all the information. That's how it will work. So once you created your profile, it will be created as a user profile. Then after that, you can create the spaces. You can see it here. Here is the spaces. If you click on spaces, we will be able to see whatever the spaces. If you are following something, if you have created something, so that will be shown. So I have a space called online shopping. It's showing here. I created, and the space is for me. So what happens, the space, whatever the space we created, online shopping, this will be considered as a community. So the people can join here. It's like a community. The people can follow the community and they can answer, they can get information. So it's like spreading the information one to one. It works like this. The community will works like that. The spaces will works like them. So when you click on community, will enter into their all spaces. So now we have, as I told you, we created the account by using Gmail or Facebook account. Now we need to create a space, new space. You can see it here. I am creating a new space. You need to click on create space. So I will create this space as example, a digital name I am giving now, digital web garage. About, so we need to mention what the space is about. I will mention some information. So what it belongs to, what the space will show it to the user, what belongs to what category, like that. So land tech skills and customizer creating. So I mentioned the name and about, so I clicked on continue. So now what it is asking, add topics for your digital gallery. Let's say, so as I told you, space is nothing but it's a community. So if you are going to create a community, you should mention this community belongs to what are the category, what kind of people are interested here. So the same like that, I created a space, and the space is interested in what, this space belongs to what kind of information. So this space is related to what are the information it's here, people can learning. So you can see it here. So here of the so there are a lot of people interested categories. There are a lot of categories. Once you done that, you need to click on finish. That's it. You can see now the space is created. So once you did all this, you need to come into settings. You need to do the customization. Whatever the customization you want, you can do this here. And if you don't want it, if you don't want you don't want to keep all these spaces, you don't need to continue it, you can delete this. So what you need to do for the deletion of your space, in the sense, you need to come into the space, click on all spaces. So here is your created space, digital web garage. Here I am going into the settings. What I am doing now, I am going down, just in the here you can see the option called delete space. If you click on this, the space will be deleted. This is how Quora will work. So once you created the space, you can share the information. You can share anything. You can raise the questions, or you can raise your suggestions, you can write links, whatever you want, you can share it. The people can follow it. If they are interested in your information, the people will follow it. So this is how the information will be circulated. If you post something, the people will give reply, they will do something, they will share something, you will share something. This is how the circulation will happen, information circulations. So moreover, the Quora is for sharing the information, learning new things, adopting new technology. So it's like sharing the information entirely. So hope you guys understood the Quora account and creating a new spaces with Quora. So if you have any doubts, you can write it on my comment box. Thanks for watching.